Welcome. Today I am in Fiat 500 and I will show you how you can turn on or turn off front fog lights. So at the first we have to turn on the deep beams, and you can make it by using this knob on the left side. So just make it like that. As you can see right now they are turned on. And next, to activate the front fog lights, you have to take a look on this button right here. Press on it once, and as you can see right now, the front fog lights are turned on. To turn them off, you have to press on this button 2 times, and after that they are turned off. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.